एक सवाल था आपसे, आईफोन लोगे क्या? नहीं नहीं, मैं तुम्हें दूंगा नहीं, मैं वैसे पूछ रहा हूँ। पूछ क्यों रहा हूँ? क्योंकि आजकल आईफोन का क्रेज बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया है। हर पर्सन को आईफोन चाहिए। इट इज अ स्टेटस सिंबल। जिसके पास नहीं है वो आईफोन खरीदना चाह रहा है, और जिसके पास है वो उसको अपग्रेड करना चाह रहा है। बट इस सब में एक उससे भी ज्यादा प्राइसलेस चीज है जो हम सब मिस कर रहे हैं। वो प्राइसलेस चीज है वो पर्सन जिन्होंने एक्चुअल में आईफोन इस दुनिया को दिया था। 2007 में स्टीव जॉब्स ने आईफोन लॉन्च किया था, जिसमें उन्होंने पहली कॉल करी थी स्टारबक्स में एक प्रैंक कॉल करी थी। उसका जो पूरा लॉन्च था आप यूट्यूब पे देख सकते हो, बहुत ही कमाल का और मजेदार था। वो ऐसे बोल रहे थे कि देखो ये हम 3 प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करने वाले हैं, आईपॉड, एक इंटरनेट डिवाइस, एक मोबाइल फोन, और ऐसे 2-3 बार उन्होंने बोला और सबको फिर बाद में रियलाइज हुआ ये तो एक ही प्रोडक्ट है। तो आज की वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं स्टीव जॉब्स का इंटेलेक्ट, उनके क्योर्स, उनका पूरा विजडम जो उन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में बोला है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 20 से ज्यादा क्योर्स स्टीव जॉब्स के समेट के देने वाला हूं। तो भाइयों और बहनों, बने रहना इस वीडियो के एंड तक। स्टार्ट करते हैं इस वीडियो को बिना आपका टाइम वेस्ट करे। Stay hungry, stay foolish. We are here to put a dent in the universe. Otherwise, why else even would be here? Design is not just about what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. It is better to be a pirate than to join a navy. The hard thing about focus is you think focus is about saying yes. Actually, focusing is about saying no. And when you say no, you piss off people. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. It's rare that you see an artist in his 30s or 40s able to contribute something amazing. I would trade all my technology for an afternoon with Socrates. Being the richest man in the cemetery does not matter to me. Going to bed at night saying we have done something wonderful, that's what matters to me. Creativity is just connecting things. Have the courage to follow your heart and intuition. You somehow already know what you truly want to become. Everything else is secondary. Sometimes when you innovate, you make mistakes. It is best to admit them quickly and get on with improving your other innovation. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking clean to make it simple. But it's worth it in the end, because once you get there, you can move mountains. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Remember that you are going to die. It's the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. You are already naked. There is no reason to follow your heart. You have to be burning with an idea or a problem or a wrong that you want to right. If you are not passionate enough from the start, you will never stick it out. When you grow, you tend to told that the world is the way it is. That you're just live your life inside the world. Try not to bash into the walls too much. Try to have a nice family life. Have fun. Save a little money. But that's a very limited life. Life can be much broader once you discover one simple fact. Everything around you that you call life was made up by people that were no smarter than you. And you can change it. You can influence it. Once you learn that, you will never be the same again. You can't connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking backward. So you have to trust that these dots will somehow connect in your future. You have to trust in something, your gut, your destiny, your karma, whatever. This approach has never let me down, and it has made all the difference in my life. Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It is clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. My model for business is the Beatles. They were four guys that kept each other's negative tendencies in check. They balanced each other and the total was greater than the sum of the parts. Our DNA as a consumer company for that individual customer who's voting ups or down. That's what we think about. And we think that our job is to take responsibility for the complete user experience. And if it's not up to par, our fault. Plain and simply. Okay, so that concludes all the quotes of Mr. Steve Jobs. I hope आपको अच्छा लगा. I hope आपको लाइफ में कुछ भी वैल्यू ऐड हुई हो, और अगर हुई हो तो प्लीज लाइक बटन है उसको आप दबा दो, और प्लीज सब्सक्राइब भी कर दो यार ऐसी और वीडियोस के लिए. और अगर आपने इलॉन मस्क जी की वीडियो नहीं देखी है, उनके कोट्स नहीं सुने हैं, तो वो भी जाके सुनो, उनसे भी कुछ इंस्पिरेशन लो. एंड आप मेरे को फॉलो कर सकते हो. जब सब कुछ, सब लिंक, सब भसड़ आपको मिल जाएगी कमेंट सेक्शन, डिस्क्रिप्शन में. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.